Welcome back to BGC, Bonifacio Global City, the most upscale, high-end living experience in all of Philippines. Join me and my friend Bryan on exploring a local car show that's regularly held under the open sky in this magnificent neighborhood featuring modern supercars and all-time classics. Hello and welcome to another episode of the Time Lapse Traveler. Today I'm here with my friend Bryan.
Hola.
I wanted to show a quick tour of Ford Bonifacio, the Ford. A couple of disclaimers before we get into the meat of things. While on our way to the car show, my friend Bryan and I passed through this one-of-a-kind party complex, which was condemned to be torn down after being one of the first structures to be built here in Bonifacio Global City. Before it disappears completely, I wanted to make a quick shot of this sprawling complex while I still have the chance. If you are interested in me completing this video into a full vlog, then please leave me a comment and I'll be happy to produce this into an actual episode to be featured on my channel. The other thing I wanted to mention is that I shot this video while recovering from a complex spinal surgery, which I just had less than 2 weeks prior. That's the reason for my awkward looking brace. With that out of the way, let's return back to the subject of this video.
A little later.
Now we're done overlooking this place and let's go check out some cars, shall we?
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
Yeah, that's actually why we're meeting up today.
Right.
This car
Sports
show
car.
happens every 4 times a year.
They're actually spending those money on the children scholarship.
So it's more than just simply, flaunting the wealth that some people have.
Right.
Some people are just fortunate enough to have
By the way, it's actually
1 or 2 Ferraris in their garage. The entrance is free, which is good. I mean, this is an outdoor event.
Yeah. Ferrari Spider. Sounds music.
That's loud, man.
Sounds music to my ears.
Yeah, that could be kind of annoying sometimes, especially if it happens like 3, 4 o'clock at night.
Oh yeah.
That I don't appreciate so much.
Wow.
That's really amazing, huh? This is amazing too, look at this. Yeah, some cars here are a little bit more impressive than others, but all of them are undeniably very cool.
Oh, GTR.
That's beautiful. I love the design of this car.
Yeah. Same here.
So gorgeous.
Wow.
Wow, yeah, seriously, whoever came up with the design for these cars, really incredible looking.
Wow. Yeah.
That's crazy, man. Oh, I love this.
I love the chip. Porsche, the vintage one.
Yeah, classic. Damn, that's pure gold right there, like a gold bar.
This.
See, that's how I think of when I think of Lotus. Cars like that. Sleek little sports cars. Now, the last time that I was here at this car show, I actually saw a McLaren. That is probably the single most expensive high-end ultra sports car, hypercar, you could call it. I wonder if I'm gonna see it this time. Oh, check out this classic Corvette. As Bill Paxton once said, the vet makes them wet.
The vet gets them wet.
I wonder what he meant by that. Good number of Lamborghinis here today. Wow, check out this Mustang. Air intake is really serious looking. I still think that design-wise, Ferrari still got it. Yeah, there's really nothing like a Ferrari. What a gorgeous piece of technology this is, huh? So cool when I can actually look so close up deep inside. Oh, let's take a close look at the engine over here. Oh, look, Jürgen, they have a Mazda. And more than one, too.
And that's where Father Aloysius Schwartz began his mission. And throughout the years, we went here to the Philippines, to Central America.
Also, last time around, there were way more classic cars here. Now it seems like there's only a handful of them. The vast majority of the cars are really brand spanking new. Wow, Jürgen, check it out. How many Mazdas they have over here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I don't know what this is. 10, 11. 12, 13 Mazdas. I don't think the last one is. Yeah, Mazda's representing today, huh? You could have parked your car over here also, I guess, huh? If you could have any of these cars over here for your own, is there one that you would pick? Yeah, which one would you pick for yourself?
I'm still actually choosing which one of these hottest cars right now. I'm actually finding the Cybertruck.
Really?
But still not seeing
Man,
it.
don't give Elon any more money. He's already worth half $1 trillion. Whoa, check out this Toyota.
Ferrari Italia.
Oh, that's a very unique looking color. Oh, Aston Martin. I think it's the first Aston Martin that I'm seeing. Aston Martin does some really good designs. But again, there's really nothing quite like a Ferrari. Look at that. Ferrari is really always going to be one of a kind. And looking inside the engine over here, wow, man, that's gorgeous. That's power. Nissan GTR. Yeah, Nissan. Yeah. I used to have a Nissan like this back in the US. Look Okay, fine. Not quite like this. It was a hybrid, Nissan Altima,
GTR.
but it was still a Nissan.
Yeah, Nissan. I think you actually bought it way back ago.
Well, I had a different Nissan. I had a Nissan Altima hybrid in the US, 2007 model. I bought it brand new.
Uh-huh.
Oh, there's a classic Ferrari. I was wondering if there are going to be any classic Ferraris over here, and here we are. Wow, look at this classic stick shift. Nice, another Nissan. Kind of warms my heart every time I see a Nissan. Reminds me of the glory days. One of my coolest car stories is driving from New York City down to Florida, all the way to Key West, Florida. Especially in the winter, that was amazing. Going from a cold, snowy environment down to tropical beach and driving there myself. That was really a unique kind of thing.
What's this for? Wow. The steering wheels?
It's not meant for driving, bro. It's meant for showing off. Good catch, by the way. I'm glad you caught that. That was good.
Oh, yeah. You noticed that right away. Contact number, ma'am? Okay. Just thinking you, ma'am.
Yeah.
Maybe later on.
Yeah.
All right.
So,
I love the colorway of this.
Yeah, it's pretty wild looking.
Yeah. Sting Ray again.
I love the metallic color of the silver one.
The silver one.
Yeah, it's not shiny, it's kind of matte.
Shiny, shimmering. Splendid.
Splendid, yeah, exactly. Damn, look how close to the ground this one is.
Oh yeah.
It's really not meant for city driving.
I recommend it high.
Imagine you hit a bump. You're screwed if you hit a bump. Paparazzi, look at this. Oh my god.
A lot of children
Yo,
following the GTR.
that shot right there is awesome, actually. I love that. not inhale that. Wow, that was some spectacle. Okay, so unfortunately Bryan and I kind of lost ways over here. I don't know where he went. Very easy to get separated over here. But in any case, this is where I'm going to be closing out this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, please hit the like button. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Always take care of yourselves and each other. And of course, keep looking out for more fun and exciting videos coming at you from the Time Lapse Traveler. I'll see you in the next one.